Hi everyone, for this video I'm going to go through the process of purchasing a license for Planetwatch. Planetwatch will only accept Planet tokens, so in order for you to purchase a license from Planetwatch or any product from Planetwatch, you're gonna need to have a Planetwatch token in your wallet. So if you do not have a Planetwatch token yet in your wallet, please make sure to watch the other video that I created on how to acquire a Planetwatch token by converting your Algorand coin into Planetwatch. And that video is going to be included in the description below, and I'm also going to put it at the end of this video. So once you have the Planet tokens, the next step will be to go to Planetwatch, and in order for you to purchase a license, you need to create an account with Planetwatch. So to create an account with Planetwatch, all you need to do is go to planetwatch.us if you reside in the United States, or planetwatch.io if you live somewhere else. So I'm gonna go to planetwatch.us, and basically you just want to click over here on the person icon, and here you have an option to log in if you already have an account, or register. So if you don't have an account yet, just make sure you register here first, and it's gonna send you a password, and then from there you should be able to log into Planetwatch. But since I already have an account, I'm going to just log in using my account information. Now that I am logged in, all I have to do is click on Buy Licenses, and then you can select what type of license do you want to purchase. So for this demo, I'm going to purchase a Type 3 license so that I can acquire the indoor sensor that they have. And you can select if you want 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year. Okay, so I'll just click 1 year and click Add to Cart. And just want to let you know, right now they have a waiting list for all the devices. So in order for you to acquire the device, you need to purchase the license first. And also, if you purchase a license beginning April 1st, they're going to require a 30% deposit for the price of the device. Okay, so from here, you just click on Proceed to Checkout. And you want to enter your billing details. And make sure that when you purchase a license with Planetwatch, make sure that you use the same email address from purchasing licenses to the account that you set up with them, so that you don't have any issues with activating your license once you get your product. So Type 3 license, 1 year, $60. And right now you can only use this company called Bloomy to purchase your product. So it says here, Planet is our token. We recommend that you move planets to your own wallet first and then send your payment. And again, if you don't have a Planet token yet, make sure to watch the video link that I put on the description and at the end of this video that shows you how to acquire Planet tokens by swapping your Algorand coin into Planetwatch token. Okay, so I'm just gonna click I have read and agree. So I'll just click Pay with Bloomy. Okay, so just confirm your information again, and you select payment method. Right now they only have one payment method, which is by using Planet tokens. Click Proceed. Okay, from here you have 15 minutes to complete your purchase. So I'm gonna click on my Algo wallet, and tells me I need to have a total of 409 planets, 409.88 planets to be able to purchase. So I'm just gonna click Connect. And if you already have a password, you can use that, and I'm gonna do that right now. If you don't have an account yet, it's gonna take you to another page where you can import your wallet using the 25-word passphrase. But since I already have that in this computer, I'm just gonna go ahead and enter my password. And from here, I'm gonna connect my wallet, and I'll say connect. if you don't have an account yet, you're gonna have to go through the process of entering your 25-word passphrase. But basically, once you enter that 25-word passphrase, you're gonna get to this screen after that. So I'm gonna click connect. Okay, now it's telling me that I have these planets, right? And just clicking that. Click continue. And then I'm gonna click make a payment. And I'm gonna have to enter the password again. Okay, so transaction has been sent and will be completed once it's verified. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, so payment is successful. It's gonna be redirected now to the website. Now it's showing my order information and my Planetwatch account. That's how you make a purchase with Planetwatch using a Planet token. Please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel.